Hey, what's up everybody? 2024 Toyota RAV4. I'm going to show you how to reset the maintenance light. We're going to be using these buttons right here, the arrows with the OK button and maybe the back button. So it's going to be through this dash. I'm going to go ahead and get closer to it. Alright, so it's going to be all done in the center spot, so sorry about the glare. So use the arrows and push either right, or actually the hood's open so let's push back. And then we're going to push the arrows. And you can go to these little numbers. You got 1, 2, and then go to 3, or whichever number says settings. Push and hold OK. Okay. Sorry about that. Sorry about the autofocus. Now we're going to scroll down to vehicle settings. Push and hold OK. And then we're going to go down to scheduled maintenance. Push and hold OK. Reset data. Go up to yes with the arrows. Push and hold yes. Reset complete. And that's how you do it on a 2024 Toyota RAV4. Thanks for watching. See you next time.